Hello, everyone. I'm Pascal Sama. I'm the CEO of Canza, and Canza is enabling access to financial tools for sub-Saharan African small and medium-sized enterprises. So there's a massive opportunity in sub-Saharan Africa as 1 billion people are leapfrogging from legacy technology. However, there's a big problem. I've been in the crypto space for 5 years now, and I've heard a lot of discussions about banking the unbanked in this region. However, their solutions are all focused on changing existing consumer behavior. In the last 4 months, my team has been building a community of extremely entrepreneurial money market players who can truly bring the vision of banking the unbanked and unlocking trillions of dollars of economical value to the masses. Let me introduce you to one of our community members, Ibrahim. Ibrahim is a local currency exchange agent. He works with the Bureau de Change. A Bureau de Change is a government regulatory group of currency exchange agents. And Ibrahim sees over $1 million in annual transactions from currency exchange. You heard me right. I said $1 million worth of transactions. Let me tell you some more about Ibrahim. Ibrahim keeps a tight network of trusted customers and partners for business. A lot of his business interactions start on WhatsApp, where he communicates things such as the service fee as well as the exchange rates with his customers. And majority of his transactions occur at his store location. Ibrahim does over 70% of his transactions in cash to avoid high fees from other service providers. Ibrahim and his partners are mainly in the business of foreign exchange. However, they offer services such as remittance, settlements, and business loans to individuals and businesses. They operate just like a decentralized bank. Ibrahim and his partners are frustrated about the constant devaluation of their local currency, the Naira, especially because they hold a lot of assets in cash. This results to significant losses. Because of this, they're all interested in using crypto for business. However, crypto in this market is sold at a premium rate because of low crypto supply. Additionally, Ibrahim and his partners are all trying to grow their businesses beyond their physical store location. They are very aware of the digital world and they want to maximize it to grow their businesses. There are hundreds of thousands of local money market players in Nigeria alone. This is a unique insight we have that building a business to bank the unbanked is actually practical. Our solution, Canza, is a peer-to-peer neobank built on crypto rails and powered by local money market gurus. Canza leverages stable tokens to control asset volatility, as well as facilitate on-ramps and off-ramps to a platform. We also leverage liquidity pools to balance our market demand, as well as facilitate high-yield savings accounts. We also leverage social networks to basically foster existing network effects, mainly by using the WhatsApp chatbot, which would build a bilateral channel for communication between WhatsApp and the Canza platform. Our go-to-market strategy is to amass 1,000 Canza agents in the next 2 months. And with our current agents' number of daily customers, we would have access to 20,000 Nigerians. We're releasing the first version of our application on the Google Play Store and would grow from incentives and network effects. Our community of agents has been growing by 400% monthly. It's really been a very interesting experience for us. And a lot of this has been mainly from word of mouth. Our agent communities are very excited, and happy when they find a solution that removes friction from their business, and they tell all of their partners. This has been a main contribution to our growth. We've also noticed some very interesting behaviors on our WhatsApp community. The traders have actually started to trade among themselves. Those that are already familiar crypto traders are trading with other partners in a peer-to-peer manner. We also had an opportunity to meet our traders 2 months ago, and we shared our vision with them, and equally they shared their excitement for us. In the meanwhile, we've released a USSD version of our application, which is mainly used to access price feeds for Naira, as well as cryptos that our agents are interested in. Our market consists of 900 million mobile money users, so they're accustomed to some type of digital solution. Of this category, we have 350 million of them who are frequent WhatsApp users. With 1,000 Canza agents, as I mentioned earlier, we have access to 20,000 Nigerians today. There are several players in this industry, and specifically in this market, but they all ignored customers like Ibrahim. We believe our association with Ibrahim and solving Ibrahim's problem actually solves everyone's problems in this market. This is going to be the main attribute to our success in this market. We have a solid roadmap put together to transition from delivering unique services into a new bank. This quarter, we're releasing the first version of our app, and second quarter of this year, we're going to focus on growing and expanding in Lagos and Kano, which are the 2 largest cities in Nigeria. And from then on, we'll focus on acquiring the proper license to offer high-yield savings accounts, peer-to-peer loaning, settlements, bill payments, and remittance. We have a complete team to go after this problem. We come from a background of telecom, mobile money, crypto, and fintech. There's Joda, our lead developer. I've known Joda for 4 years now. Joda brings a lot of experience from PayPal, and he's currently being advised by Square on this project. There's my CTO, Deji. Deji is a blockchain engineer. In the blockchain space, Deji has been involved with the Lambda project, where he was a former advisor, and also a former participant to the Zcash Foundation. Deji launched a social impact project called Menergy together with Comcast, and he's a current member of the Forbes for Middle East. I've known Deji for 13 years now, and we've had a really solid relationships of building different technologies to change the world. There's myself. I have a very similar background like Deji. I've worked with a lot of Fortune 500 companies to facilitate technology globally. And I've also been involved in the academia space where I've published some research topics and research projects, some of which has been published by the IEEE. So banking don't bank is not just a famous problem, it's actually our problem. 3 years ago, when I visited my country of origin, Cameroon, I could not open a bank account because they wanted 8 months worth of pay stubs. Just imagine what that means for the typical sub-Saharan African. We are very grateful for our agent network. Canza actually stands for change in the Hausa language, of which most of these traders communicate in. We believe the change everyone is looking for to bank the unbanked in this region is already on the ground. All they need is Canza to fuel their engine. We're looking for serious partners to go after this massive opportunity in sub-Saharan Africa. If you are interested, contact us at canzafinance@gmail.com and visit our website at canza.io. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.